it's fuzzy. Okay, so today we're going to do a review on the Firewood Kindling Splitter. Now, this particular model comes with the kindling bag. Okay, so after you're done doing your kindle, you can put it in there and you can carry it to wherever you want to. Comes with a pair of gloves so you don't get splinters, obviously. And then your mount. Okay, so now the splitter comes with 4 bolts, lag bolts with washers, and a safety ring. Now, put a 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch spacer in behind here. Now, if you don't, you won't have room to move this up and down like that, okay? So that is made for that, okay? So it can't come out, all right? All right, so let's do a log and see how it works. Okay, so this is a pretty small piece. It can take up to I don't think it's 12 or 14 inches, but you gotta be vigilant about it sliding on you. Okay, so the pitch you need is like up in here, right? Okay, so like this one's only I'm gonna call it a foot. And then when you grab that, make sure you hold that and split it, right? You know, it depends on the wood, and you can bring it down and just keep splitting right like that, okay? And go from there. And it helps when you don't have any knots in it or whatever. So if a piece of wood has got a knot in it, turn it over and see if there's no knot, right? So, you know, like there, right there, you know, there's your kindling right there. But make sure it's dry and not many knots. Okay, so you don't really need to use this for mounting to a pole or whatever either, right? You can take it out camping and do whatever. You know, they've got these slots in here that you can put a ratchet strap to. You got the right ratchet straps, they'll go right through here, right? So you can do that, and then you can wrap it around the tree and have it like that, okay? You still have to put your spacers in the back if you want to use the ring, the lock ring that they give you, because if you got kids and stuff, you might want to put that ring on and keep them off. If not, don't put it on. In today's demonstration, I'm not going to put it on. So you just want to lock that ratchet strap back to itself. Tighten it up like that. Put the bottom one on. That's it. You are splitting wood. And there it is right there. Awesome. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming.